Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bread toaster. First, let's consider the fundamental design principles. A toaster needs to heat bread quickly and uniformly. Think about incorporating essential safety mechanisms, such as automatic shut-off, to prevent overheating. Also, focus on user-friendly aspects like crumb trays and intuitive controls for a better experience. Next, let's look at the essential components. Heating elements, typically nichrome wire, generate the necessary heat to toast the bread. A reliable timer mechanism is vital for consistent results, allowing users to select their preferred browning level. Finally, the outer casing not only houses all the internal parts, but also provides critical insulation and structural integrity. When assembling, securely mount the heating elements within the toaster's chassis, ensuring they are properly spaced. Carefully connect all electrical components, such as the timer and power cord, adhering strictly to electrical safety standards. Proper insulation throughout the device is paramount to prevent any electrical hazards and ensure safe operation. Finally, rigorous testing is crucial. Thoroughly check all electrical connections to ensure they are secure and correctly wired. Verify that the automatic shut-off mechanism activates as intended to prevent overheating. Remember, working with electrical appliances requires expertise. Always prioritize safety and consult qualified electrical professionals for guidance and final inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.